Hey guys, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you 5 different ways that you can clean up around your nails at home to get that perfect looking manicure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. To begin, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help to prolong the life of your manicure, and it will help prevent staining. Next, we're going to be painting our nails using a white base color. And then we're going to be doing a really pretty watercolor looking design using a makeup sponge so that we can make a mess around our nails to clean up. The first way to clean up around your nails is by using a liquid latex barrier. Apply this around your nail as close to your cuticles as possible and allow it to dry. Next, we're going to be doing blobs of different colors on a makeup sponge to create the watercolor effect. Sponge this over your nail, and then you can peel off the mess with the latex. The second way is a great solution if you have a latex allergy. Peel-off tape works very similarly to liquid latex, but it requires no drying time. Just place a piece around your nail using tweezers and get it as close to your nail as possible and then secure it. Then you can go ahead and sponge over your nail. Once you're done with your design, you can easily peel the mess right off. The third way is great if you don't have any special products like the last two. All you need is clear tape, which almost all households have. Apply one piece of tape below your nail like so, and then add one more around the sides. Then you can go ahead and sponge the design onto your nail again. Peel the tape off and most of the mess will be gone. You will be left with only a little bit to clean up using a brush and polish remover. The fourth way is just by using a cotton swab and nail polish remover. Simply dip the cotton swab into the acetone and then clean up around your nail. The final way is by using a little paintbrush and remover. This will give you more control than the cotton swab, allowing you to get even closer to your cuticles. Finish off your new manicure with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these ways do you use to clean up around your nails? Let us know down in the comments. Also, we'd love to see you try out this pretty watercolor design, so please tag us on social media if you recreate it. If you'd like to watch more fun nail tutorials here on CutePolish, click the info card in the top right corner. Take care, and I'll see you next time!